Check out this passion fruit that we have as part of our breakfast today. It's really, really delicious.
We also have these great plantains.
Patacones.
Patacones.
I think you just said pants.
But they are plantains. I'm not eating pants this morning.
I'm Brittany, and this is Drew. And for the past 5 years, we've been traveling the globe by van, from the US to Canada, Europe to Africa, sharing our story and embracing the great unknown, which has now led us to buying one-way flights to Panama, where we've been called to help these guys build the tiny house homestead of their dreams. Tap subscribe and join us in seeing where this unpredictable adventure takes us all.
All right. Adios.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye. It's our 4-year wedding anniversary.
It is.
And we're doing something very special.
We're going to a destination that's on the coast.
We're finally gonna get back in that water, and it's gonna be a 5-hour bus ride in that guy.
In that thing. They're putting the luggage on the roof right now. Not in that guy walking by, in that shuttle. Let's get out of here. I'm excited to go do some swimming, some surfing, and some snorkeling.
Let's not tell you where we're going just yet.
Now we have to cross this river with this bag.
Right now it's too high for them to drive over it, so we get to forge the river and our hostel awaits. What little bungalow are we gonna have to ourselves?
We got a nice one waiting for us.
Actually, we haven't even told you guys where we are yet, have we? Bienvenidos a Santa Catalina. That sand is so freaking hot.
That'll burn your little piggies off.
Yeah. Welcome to our sweet little bungalow just steps away from Playa El Estero. It's pretty simple, but it's got what we need. A cozy bed, nice window view over here, and here's our bathroom. Not too shabby, not too concerned about having hot water here either. Santa Catalina has a population of 300 and is located off the beaten path, along the Pacific coast. This mellow fishing village is known for its incredible surf and access to one of the country's most beautiful gems, Coiba National Park. So that afternoon, we headed into town to sign up for an all-day snorkeling trip leaving at 8 a.m. the next morning. And then we spent the rest of the day soaking in the sun. Wouldn't you? So hot, that's the worst.
I just want to go back and hang out in the hammock.
Oh, we gotta get in that water. Ocean! We're almost there.
Oh, the water feels so good.
Wait for it.
I want to see you body surf. Can you body surf for the audience? Go.
You need more momentum.
Yeah, this one. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Can you believe you're showering here? And right there's the beach.
That is where we're going to dinner tonight. And right now, we have the high tide to cross.
At 7:30 p.m.
We
Probably gonna
didn't
be
realize.
high.
Alright, I guess I should go first because this will be a better show. Alrighty.
Hey, come back. Kick off the flip-flops really quick. Go.
Here's a little inside scoop. I wasn't particularly thrilled that Drew interrupted my flow of life to capture the kicking off of my shoes. In my mind, capturing the authentic moment was more important than his creative vision of capturing and producing the moment. But it's important to make light when working together as a YouTube couple, or just a couple in general. Because, as they say, the show must go on.
There's a long ways across. You've disappeared out of sight.
It's up to my knees. Look how deep is it's gonna get.
That's the deepest spot. Hopefully there's no piranhas in here.
Alright, time for dinner. Good morning, beautiful beach. Coiba National Park is where we're headed today on a boat. And we're going to be snorkeling off of, I think, 4 different beaches and 3 different snorkeling spots. Apparently you can see whale sharks and all sorts of beautiful starfish and rainbow fish. So I can't wait to see what we explore under the sea. We'll see you guys there. In other news, how are you feeling this morning?
Oh, I just threw up everything from last night. All that fish.
Oh no.
Good news is I feel better though.
Means you can go on the boat?
Yeah, I gotta brush my teeth though. You don't want to be near this.
And these are all of the boats going to Coiba Island. Eating a banana making you feel better?
I'm still feeling weak, but I'm here. We made it, we're on time, we're in the right place.
All aboard!
We're on the boat.
Freaking gorgeous. Oh, nice. It took us about, 2 hours to get here? It was a long boat ride.
It was very nice.
It was very nice. We spent nearly the entire day under that crystal clear water. The fish were so colorful and playful, it was the most beautiful variety of tropical fish that we had ever seen. And while we didn't see any whale sharks, we did see a hawksbill sea turtle chilling amongst the abundance of coral. Along with a few other underwater treasures. And it turns out that the world above the surface was just as spectacular. Now we understand why this area is often referred to as Panama's Galapagos. We just made it to our lunch island and it looks like he's definitely been eating everyone's leftovers. Look at that tail. He's got like a big spike on there. That's gnarly. Whoa, dude. And let's see what we got for lunch. Ooh, delicious. Perfecto. Oh, look at this.
Well, Brittany's really got her Mrs. Adventure vest on today, and she's taking me up this crazy staircase.
Maybe there's monkeys.
All right, if there's monkeys.
So far, not much has happened. Oh, I think there's a view coming. Look at that. Bet you wish you brought Jordan's drone on this trip, don't ya?
Drone would have been really nice, but it is a national park, so on the other hand, I'm glad I didn't bring it. I don't know how the rules apply to Panamanian law.
That's true. So just imagine flying over that gorgeous, blue, amazing water. And those beautiful little islands that we had the chance to snorkel off of. My, oh my. It's hot.
Stunning out here.
I'm ready to get back in the water. My, oh my. After one more dip and a well-deserved hangout sesh, it was time to board our boat and head back to the mainland.
I think we got it all. Let's go.
Ciao, Eduardoño. It's been real. We're back at our place. You know what that means.
Babe, will you film me taking off my sandals? Let's go.
Time to forge the river!
This is a happy crossing. And it's low tide.
Much easier now. Make sure we got the shoes. Oops.
And the sunnies.
Do it again. Sorry.
See, look, I caught her.
That's what happens. At least we were both laughing this time. Look at how beautiful. Drew's sleeping though. He's too cute up here. I know he had a rough day on the boat, but he was a trooper. Oh, but he really can't miss the sunset. It's too good. Let's wake him up. Hey, handsome. The sunset's too good. I think you gotta go look with me, no?
You're more beautifully lit by it.
You got this.
I got a late wake-up call.
Don't forget to enjoy it all at the same time. All thanks to our friends.
Thanks, Jordan. Really love having this one with us on this trip.
The purchase of our new drone is still in the works. If you'd like to help us reach our goal, we will put a link to our GoFundMe in the video description below. We're almost there! A huge thank you to everyone who's already contributed to helping make views like this possible. You guys are the best.
What just happened in here?
I was showering and I heard something like sparking or slapping the wall, and I couldn't see because I had soap in my face, and this thing caught on fire.
There were just flashes of fire and light, and it was like we were welding. Brittany was like, what is going on? And I jumped in there and turned off the water, which stopped the heater from working on that tap, and luckily we're safe, but it smells like smoke in here still. We went and told management, so they're gonna help us out, and luckily I can still take a cold shower.
Mr. Adventure saves the day! Da, da, da. The bottle of wine for our anniversary is probably gonna go undrunk. I'm recovering from food poisoning, and so is Drew. So we will see you another time.
Wah, wah, wah.
We decided to eat at the little restaurant that is at our little hostel because it's so dang cute. We are a sucker for lighting. Always reminds us of our wedding.
Follow me.
So cute. You're a perfect Oreo. Hi, beautiful. Look at you. Oh. Hey.
We got all kinds of friends here tonight.
Ensalada, arroz y frijoles. We discovered these last night for the first time. They're plantains that get smushed and fried a couple of times.
They're so fresh and hot.
Yeah, they're like real hot. I'm excited.
Hamburguesa.
Nice. Think that'll help your belly?
I hope so.
Alright. Good night, everyone. We're gonna enjoy.
Adios.
Yeah.
Hasta luego.
Morning! check out this passion fruit that we have as part of our breakfast today. It's really, really delicious.
We also have these great plantains.
Patacones.
Patacones.
I think you just said pants.
But they are plantains. I'm not eating pants this morning. We've had a wonderful time together here. Well, it's had its bumps along the road too, but we are really enjoying today.
We are, and we're just gonna relax and be with each other. Well, we love you, and we'll see you next week somewhere new.
We're gonna go out and enjoy this beach. I think we got another match of paddleball coming this afternoon. Maybe a surfing session.
I hope so. Hasta luego, friends.
Hasta luego, guys. Ciao.
Hey! Go! Final appearance.